Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to create a QR code generator program in Python. So the first step is to make sure we install two Python libraries. Also I will go to Python preferences, Python interpreter, and then click on the plus sign. So the first Python libraries to install is called qrcode. You can install it. I've already installed it, so no need to do it again. You can also do this on your terminal by typing pip install qrcode. So it's possible. So the second library to install is called png. Make sure to install it. I've already done it, so no need to do it again. All right, once it's done, we can now start typing our code. So the first line of code will be to import this qrcode library. Then we're going to create a function. I will call it my qrcode. I will declare a variable, then type input. We need to get some data from the user, so I will say something like enter your, for example, your data. Okay, and then I'll create another variable called q. I will use now this library qrcode that create function. I will pass my s variable inside this function. Then I will write q.png to create my QR code. Then this will be the name of my QR code, file png, my QR code.png. Then I will type scale. This is the size of the QR code. We then inform the user once the QR code is generated. So I will write something like your QR code is generated. All right, now we can call our function. I will say write some name. Main. My QR code. I can call the function here. Okay, so that's it. Now we can run our code, but before that I need to make sure I will copy the link of this website. I will use it. So let's run our code. The program asks me to enter my data. I will provide this URL, this website. So, and then I will tap enter. My QR code file is created here. Let's double click to open it. There you go, we have our QR code. So this QR code contains the information about the website I just provided. So now I can just use my phone to scan it, and I will get redirected to this Wikipedia website. So the QR code can be used for many purposes. Sometimes it's used for marketing purposes and or to boost some app download. It's very useful. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found this very helpful. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.